They go away. These are adults. The young ones, they have a brown head. Then when they get older, that's how we do, they get that white head. They're going to hang out for us for just a little while. They're gonna,
What if I touch it?
yeah, you'll try to be healthy. Now the trees that you see around on the dry side, these are called mangroves. There are 3 types of mangroves in Florida. You get the red, white, and black. The mangroves that you've seen are 2 are the red ones. They also call it the walking tree. Because the roots, you see, they look like legs. In a little bit, we're going to enter some tunnels that go all through the mangrove. You get a close look at them. And we are moving you now to the brackish water. It is a mix of salt and fresh. This over here is a river. If you follow this river for about 6 miles, you get to the Gulf of Mexico.